What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing today? Well, today this is the first Saturday of us being in California, and so we just thought we should check out one of the car shows, the South Orange County Car Show, and look who's with me. So yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And I think you want to drive my car as well, so we're gonna go to like a mountain road. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we'll explore. So yeah, this place is so nice. There's a pool and everything, but as you know, black people can't swim, so that includes me. I'm sorry. I think I forgot where I parked. Like, seriously. This place is so big. Like, there's literally, like, apartments that look exactly the same everywhere. Now, I'm just pressing my remote, hopefully. I hear a sound of a car.
At least it's not there.
Oh, it's there.
At least it's noticeable.
What is that? Is that, are those nuts? Oh, yes. Cold start. So we just got to the South Orange County Cars and Coffee. It's so cool, so cool. The weather is perfect. Oh, and there's an AMG GTR over there. There's really awesome cars. So I'm just gonna show you guys a montage. Oh, my eyes are burning. Is this like your first ever car event?
Oh yeah, definitely. It's lit.
Oh, it's so awesome. Oh, and look at that view. Just literally just look at that view. By the ocean, cars and coffee. Hello, Fisker. Yeah. Oh, the paint is so nice. Solar panels on the roof and everything. Huracan Spider, 720S, 570S. Oh, okay. Ooh, that was awesome. Okay, we are, I think, ready to leave right now. What did you think about your first ever Cars and Coffee?
That was amazing.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen more Lamborghinis in one place.
Oh, I cannot wait for the ones that happen in LA. Because we literally have to drive like an hour and 30 minutes just for this Cars and Coffee. And so that's just crazy. And so, but yeah, we can go to Supercar Sunday, blah, 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 all that. So if there's any of you that even know about more car shows that's happened around LA or even just around California, just let us know so we can meet up and hang out and things. Yeah, so now we're going to, where are we going? Taco Bell. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh my God! Oh,
damn! You guys should just take a look at this. Oh, it's so good! Oh, this is so awesome. Okay, now Joel is gonna drive my car, but I think he has to do some business first. Like, just look at you. My seatbelt on real quick.
Yes, good idea.
Yeah, it's really hard.
All right.
Like, just look at these roads.
I barely pressed it though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like at first, it's kind of you have to get used to like the throttle feel and all that, but
probably isn't the best place for me to be driving this for the first time.
Oh, this is so awesome. Like, just look at these roads. Yep, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't think so. what do you think about the 370 so far? About driving through these golden roads? And yeah, what do you think?
It's a little bit different than my Honda Civic. It's golden.
That is awesome. Oh yeah. So, well, thank you all so much for watching this golden video, and we will catch you guys on the next golden drive. Bye.